Hi everyone, this is Carmi from Studio Linux. You've probably been there. Maybe you've just performed a fresh install of Kali Linux without the preloaded pen testing tools to keep it lean. Or you found an amazing script on GitHub. You're ready to compile professional creative software like Blender or Etcher from source. You hit enter, and then disaster strikes. Before you even get started, a rain of red error messages floods your terminal. Command not found, missing library, or that dreaded fatal error. Why does this happen? Because a raw system is like a high-performance car delivered without oil or the right tools to tune the engine. Today, we're going to fix this once and for all. But before we build your powerhouse, make sure to smash that subscribe button and hit the bell icon. Join the community of Linux creators and power users who refuse to let a terminal error stop their workflow. Today, we're talking dependency management. I'll show you how to turn your Kali, Ubuntu, or any Debian-based system into a total beast ready to compile anything. We're going to install what I call the invisible armor of your system. Those essential packages that don't show up in your app menu, but ensure every single tool runs perfectly without ever crashing. Let's dive in.